Right here, we have a long division choice board. Long division is a strategy or a method that is really difficult for a lot of students. And so here are 3 different choices students could pick from. They could complete long division using these boxes. So there's a couple different problems on this PDF. This would be on paper, and then the students can solve by putting their work in the boxes to kind of model and walk through the steps. So that could be one option that the students could do. And again, you would print this and then they would be able to walk through each of the different steps of the long division problems on paper. And then hopefully they're able to start to take some of those boxes away. So what I would do is I would start to keep this first part for that first part of the answer, and then I would take away maybe the second part to see what the students could do and what they remembered. And then the next one is step by step. You can have students explain the process through using step by steps. So right here is a fraction example, and you can see students could create a video explaining how to solve long division. So again, with fractions, they would find the common denominator, then they would do what they did to the bottom to the top. They would solve the fraction, and then they would solve the problem. So again, they would walk through different steps on how to solve those long division problems, and they're making a tutorial video. The last one is task cards. So students would complete this digital task card, and on this drop-down menu, they would choose a question. So like question 1, they would solve it on a whiteboard and then they would write their answer. You would also want to hide this sheet because this is what is giving students those answers. And if you want to learn how to make this, I put this down here in the notes. So feel free to watch this video on learning how to make those digital task cards. But again, this choice board can really help students as they're learning long division and how to solve that.